We worked with the Wanderers on a number of client incentive events over the years. And we realized that what makes for a successful client event is experience. Now, experience needs three very important ingredients. Number one is understanding your client. The team at Wanderers takes real effort to understand who our key clients are, what their likes and dislikes are, what has been the extent to which they have already traveled the world in designing a program that's very specific to IDFC. The number two thing that creates great experience is creativity. And I think we've been lucky that the Wanderers has brought good creative content consistently to the table to create very, very memorable experience for our clients. And lastly, the third very important ingredient without which all these would really fail is superb, flawless execution. And I think the team we work with has consistently delivered superb, flawless execution. I'd like to congratulate the team at Wanderers, especially Abik, Ashish, Rajinder, for tirelessly working and putting together some of our most memorable and creative client events for IDFC. Oftentimes my friends ask me, can you recommend to us a firm or an agency with which we could do some of our client incentive events? And I'm very, very hesitant to tell them about the Wanderers, because to me, it seems like giving away a well-guarded secret. Thank you very much.